So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here just these two questions to answer on the topic leadership qualities. So this video will be about Daniel. So in short, stay till the end of this video as we just have just these two questions to answer here. So let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, according to Daniel, he succeeded among all of other colleagues because A. He was a righteous man. B. He is courageous. C. He has an excellent spirit. D. He was an exiler. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. He has an excellent spirit. And that's it for this question. So let's proceed to the next question. So guys, here we have the second and last question here. It says, under King Dash, Daniel was thrown into the lion's den. We have A. Asa, B. Nebuchadnezzar, C. Ahab, D. Darius. So guys, the answer to this question is option D. That's Darius. And that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.